For centuries, humans have gazed up at the night sky, wondering if we are alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound scientific quests of our time. But what exactly are we looking for, and how are we going about it? First, let's define what we mean by life. On Earth, life ranges from simple single-celled organisms to complex multicellular beings like plants and animals. When scientists search for extraterrestrial life, they often start by looking for conditions that can support life as we know it: liquid water, an energy source, and a range of essential chemical elements. One of the most promising places to search for life is within our own solar system. Mars, our neighboring planet, has long been a focus of astrobiological research. Evidence suggests that Mars once had liquid water on its surface, and recent missions have discovered organic molecules in Martian soil. These findings raise the possibility that microbial life could have existed, or might still exist, on Mars. Another intriguing candidate is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is covered in a thick layer of ice, but beneath that icy crust lies a vast subsurface ocean. Scientists believe that this ocean could harbor hydrothermal vents, similar to those found on Earth's ocean floor, which could provide the necessary conditions for life. Saturn's moon Enceladus also presents a compelling case. Enceladus has geysers that spew water vapor and organic molecules into space, suggesting the presence of a subsurface ocean. The Cassini spacecraft even flew through these plumes, detecting complex organic compounds. These findings make Enceladus a prime target for future missions. Beyond our solar system, the search for life takes us to exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. The Kepler Space Telescope has discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which reside in the habitable zone of their parent stars. This zone is the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. One of the most exciting discoveries is the TRAPPIST-1 system, which contains 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. These planets are prime candidates for further study, as they could potentially have the right conditions for life. To study these distant worlds, scientists use a variety of techniques. One method is the transit method, where telescopes observe the dimming of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it. This can provide information about the planet's size, orbit, and even its atmosphere. Spectroscopy is another powerful tool. By analyzing the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere, scientists can identify the chemical composition of the atmosphere. Certain gases like oxygen and methane could be indicators of biological activity. The search for extraterrestrial life also involves listening for signals from intelligent civilizations. The SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute, uses radio telescopes to scan the sky for signals that might be artificial in origin. While no definitive signals have been detected so far, the search continues, driven by the possibility that we might one day make contact with another intelligent species. But what if extraterrestrial life is fundamentally different from life on Earth? Some scientists argue that we should broaden our search to include weird life forms that might not rely on water or carbon-based chemistry. For example, Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has lakes of liquid methane and ethane. While these conditions are vastly different from those on Earth, they could potentially support life forms with a different biochemical makeup. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about finding aliens, it's also about understanding the origins and limits of life itself. By studying extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, acidic hot springs, and the dry valleys of Antarctica, scientists gain insights into the potential for life in similar environments elsewhere in the universe. Astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, is a multidisciplinary field that brings together biology, chemistry, geology, and astronomy. It challenges us to think beyond our own planet and consider the vast possibilities that the universe holds. As we continue to explore, new technologies and missions are on the horizon. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will provide unprecedented views of exoplanet atmospheres, helping us to identify potential biosignatures. Missions like the Europa Clipper and the Dragonfly mission to Titan will further our understanding of these intriguing moons. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey filled with uncertainty and wonder. Each discovery, whether it confirms the presence of life or not, brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? In the end, the search for life beyond Earth is as much about exploring our own place in the cosmos as it is about finding aliens. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the incredible diversity of environments that might exist. And who knows, perhaps one day we will find that we are not alone and that life, in some form, has taken root in the distant corners of the cosmos. Until then, we continue to look up at the stars with curiosity and hope, driven by the timeless human desire to explore.